Hi, this is Jay from One Direction Marketing. A common thing that I hear from people coming to our agency is, I've been with another agency and I just don't know if my results are really what they should be. They don't really tell me what my rankings are, or, I'm getting some clients, but I don't really know where my advertising dollars are going. Or maybe you're a small business owner and you've just been trying everything, and you just don't really have a plan in place, and you're saying, hey, I'm really trying to do this SEO thing, for example, and I feel like that it's doing something, but is it really, right? And so at our agency, what we do is we provide you with a dashboard to see your keyword rankings for SEO. So as we are optimizing keywords for your business, you can see what the current ranking is in your local area and then how we're improving that. So this is a example of the dashboard that you'll have. So you'll have access to this 24 hours a day, so you can see your current rankings, and you can see the average page rank for you with all the keywords that we're doing is here. The percentage on page one is 90%, and we've improved 29 keywords. So this kind of just gives you a little snapshot, so to speak. But down here is really where kind of the rubber meets the road, so to speak. This is for a plumber, and you can see here we have a water heater installation, leak detection, plumbing service, tankless water heaters. These are all keywords. So if I was to go in and say you live in Dallas, and I said leak detection, Dallas, or my water pressure's down, Oklahoma City, or garbage disposal repair, New York City, wherever it is, that's where we're ranking in that local area on page one or whatever page it may be. Here's the month over month. So let's say last month we were with tankless water heaters, because we were doing the SEO, we were on page 4. Now we're on page 1, which is 3 pages higher than it was before. And obviously, if you know as well as I do, if you're not on the first page or at least the second page of Google, you're certainly not getting any clicks. So this SEO is an organic way for you to grow your business, and it's really important that you're on Google and you're ranking. And so tracking like this allows us to see what's happening with your SEO, but more importantly, where your advertising dollars are going. So we would love to have you as a client, and if you'd like to have a dashboard like this for your business, for your SEO, certainly reach out to us and let us know. Our contact information is below.